In this video, we're going to cover quotient rule for derivatives. So if you would like to get the derivative of f of x over g of x, that would be g of x times the derivative of f of x minus f of x times the derivative of g of x over the square of g of x. So in this case, since multiplication is commutative, we can have f prime of x times g of x minus g prime of x times f of x. But what we cannot do here is to have f of x times g prime of x minus g of x times f prime of x. So let us have some examples. So let's say we have 2x minus 1 over 3x plus 2. Let's say this is f of x, and this one would be g of x. Let us be guided by our formula here. So to get the derivative of the given function, we have g of x is 3x plus 2 times the derivative of 2x minus 1 minus f of x is 2x minus 1 times the derivative of 3x plus 2 over the square of our denominator. So the derivative of y is equal to 3x plus 2, and then the derivative of 2x minus 1 is 2. So this would be 2 minus, let us copy 2x minus 1, and the derivative of 3x plus 2 is 3 over the square of 3x plus 2. Now, we're going to multiply 2 by 3x plus 2, and then here 3 times the negative of 2x minus 1. So that would be 6x plus 4 minus 6x plus 3 over 3x plus 2 then square. So remember here that we need to multiply negative 1 to the product of 2x minus 1 and 3. So to simplify, 6x minus 6x is 0, and then we have 4 plus 3, which is 7, over the square of 3x plus 2. So this is now the derivative of the given function. So let us have another example. Let's say we have x squared minus 2x over x squared plus 4x minus 1. So again, this is our f of x, and this is g of x. So to get the derivative, this would be x squared plus 4x minus 1 times the derivative of x squared minus 2x minus x squared minus 2x, or our f of x, times the derivative of x squared plus 4x minus 1 over the square of x squared plus 4x minus 1. So let us get the derivative of f of x and g of x. Here we have x squared plus 4x minus 1. The derivative of x squared minus 2x is 2x minus 2 minus, so let us copy x squared minus 2x. The derivative of x squared plus 4x minus 1 is 2x plus 4 over x squared plus 4x minus 1 squared. So to continue, we're going to multiply x squared plus 4x minus 1 by 2x minus 2. And then here, we need to multiply x squared minus 2x by 2x plus 4. And do not forget to multiply negative 1 to the product. So let us have 2x cubed minus 2x squared plus 8x squared minus 8x. And then we have negative 2x plus 2. X squared times 2x is 2x cubed times negative 1 is negative 2x cubed. X squared times 4 is 4x squared times negative 1 is negative 4x squared. Negative 2x times 2x is negative 4x squared times negative is positive 4x squared. And negative 2x times 4 is negative 8x times negative 1 here is positive 8x over our denominator. Simplifying, we can cancel some terms. So we can cancel 2x cubed, 8x here, and 4x squared. So what we have would be negative 2x squared plus 8x squared minus 2x plus 2. So if we simplify, that would be 6x squared minus 2x plus 2 over the square of x squared plus 4x minus 1. So this is now the derivative of the given function.